and welcome to part 2. We're just gonna do a little walk around here, and then yeah, we're going ahead and start this. Oh, around here, and I think I'm gonna wanna jump this horse. But I'm probably not gonna do jumps today. Okay, so I finished my walk lap. So we're gonna head and do this one last lap of walking, and then let's do a little trot lap. Let's do like 2 of those laps. Sorry, I can't really do finger movements. It's because I'm really controlling my horse here. So about right here, we'll start gonna start trotting. One more lap. Gonna take it down to walking, and now I'm gonna go get my other leash inside. So I'm gonna leave you guys out here. So let's get off my horse here. And I'm gonna go inside right now. So I got this leash, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this girl when we get down there. So let's do a little walk down, 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 and around here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to put you guys somewhere here, right here. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, I got the leash on her. I'm going to trot this girl. So, like, hopefully you could see it. I need to go put you guys somewhere that you can be able to see me. I'm going ahead and pause. Okay, so we're moving up here. Okay guys, so I found a place right here. So really what I'm just gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be going like this so a boy can really run. That's it. Okay, so I think that's enough, and now I'm just gonna be going over like that, and really just gonna connect her. And there we go. And then I think I can go with you guys now. Oopsies. Sorry guys, it was backwards. Okay. I'm gonna jump right here. Turn around. So let's give it a little turn. So we go up, we go back, go sideways, little dancey. And then we go forward, we go that way, we go a little turn, and then we go back. So that's a little dance I like to teach all of my horses that are a dancer. Because if they're dancers, nope. I kind of like teach them moves and everything. So I think right here is where I'm gonna start to close out the video. So let's go inside and close it out in there. Okay. Okay, we're in here. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah guys, peace out.